Hi, I'm Mike with Ziems Ford, and I have a 2010 Ford F-150. This is an XLT with a 5.4 liter engine. Has just under 99,000 miles. It has a clean Carfax, clean auto check, and it's a one-owner vehicle. It has alloy wheels, keyless entry, power windows and power locks, power driver's seat, the sync system, and Sirius satellite radio capability. If you'd like to learn more about this truck, please visit us on the web at ziemsfordcorners.com. You can call our office at 888-819-7718. Come take this truck for a test drive today. Stock number UT 9246.